Right, hi guys, welcome to another unboxing video. I'm the Great Gardener. If you're new here, feel free to check out the channel. So this is another purchase for my gardening business. Spent a little bit on it. What did I spend? I think it was about 130 quid. And yeah, it's something which will just come in quite handy for when these kinds of jobs come along. So I've got my scissors and I'm going to get this opened. It's a lot harder than it looks. This loads of tape on. Right, the box is a bit battered, so I'll have to have a good check inside. So it's another attachment for my strimmer. It's the brush cutter blade. You would have seen a picture here, but for some reason, yeah, it is a bit knackered, the box. It's brand new. I bought all my gear, all my combi gear from these people. Sam Turner's in Downton. They do have a website, and it's all been good so far. So I've got no reason to suspect anything less of this. I'll open it now just to show you, just to make sure it's all okay. Yeah, that was fine. Yeah, that's spot on, and you've got another pair of safety glasses in there as well, which is a nice little bonus. So yeah, this will obviously come in handy for, you know, obviously the big strim jobs. I've got my other strimmer attachment with the line, and it just saves swapping over the blade. I think you can buy the blades separately and pop them onto the spool head, the line head. So yeah, I'll leave that one there, guys. I've got other unboxing videos, and obviously I've got a full channel and stuff. Feel free to check it all out, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next one. And don't forget to subscribe. I never ask that, I always forget. If you watched it, got this far, quite liked it, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Alright, cheers guys, see you in the next one.